If you own a dental office, there's a good chance you're losing patients every single week and you probably don't even realize it. Someone calls after hours, nobody answers. Patient forgets their appointment, no reminder gets sent. Happy customer leaves without giving a review. That's more lost revenue. And the worst part is, most dental offices are still doing all of this manually. Hi, I'm Jason. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how dentists are using GoHighLevel to automate almost everything. Missed call text back, appointment reminders, review requests, follow-ups, reactivation campaigns, and even patient pipelines without needing to be tech savvy. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to be showing you one workflow that can literally bring back old patients automatically every single month. I've included links in the pinned comment and description which will allow you to sign up and follow along on GoHighLevel for completely free. Now let's dive in. Okay, once you have tapped the link in the description, you'll be redirected to the GoHighLevel homepage. From here, you're going to tap on Start 14-day free trial and you're just going to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. So if you have never used GoHighLevel before, think of it like an all-in-one operating system for your dental practice. Instead of using one tool for texting, another for reminders, another for reviews, another for CRM, and another for calendar, GoHighLevel combines everything into one place. And the reason dentists love it is because automation saves front desk time while helping increase bookings and reduce no-shows. The first thing we'll be looking at is missed call text back. And this is probably one of the highest ROI automations you can set up as a dentist. Because think about it, when someone searches for a dentist, they usually contact multiple offices. If your office misses the call, there's a good chance they just move on to the next clinic. But with GoHighLevel, the moment a missed call happens, it automatically sends a text message like this. Hey, sorry we missed your call, how can we help you today? Simple, fast, and honestly, it converts really well. Now, here's how to set it up. The first thing you're going to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. You're going to tap on Automation. After you have selected Automation, from there, you could tap on Create Workflow. And let me show you how it would look. So you can see it right here, Missed Call Follow-up. Let me quickly show you how it will look. So once someone misses a call, as you can see right there, call status, then we'll send a follow-up SMS just like that. So for example, if I were to tap on the SMS, you can see how it looks. Hi, and automatically GoHighLevel is going to fill in their name. Sorry we missed your call, this is Valerie's Dental. How can we help you today? And to set it up, we're just going to go back to workflow real quick. And what I did was tap on Bill using AI. After you have tapped on Bill using AI, from there you can just type in what type of automation you want. So you can tell them that you want an automation for missed calls. So once a customer calls, it is automatically going to trigger a text message. You can simply type that in right there and the AI is going to quickly create one. So that's it. It's as easy as that. By the way, if this already gave you one automation idea for your practice, hit the like button because we're just getting started. Now the second automation we'll be talking about is appointment reminders. One missed appointment can cost hundreds of dollars. So now let's automate appointment reminders. Inside GoHighLevel, you can connect your calendar and then from there you can connect it to a workflow. So whenever someone schedules an appointment, you will be able to send a reminder. For example, after they have scheduled the appointment, you'll be able to send a confirmation message. Then within 24 hours before the appointment, you'll be able to send a reminder, then 2 hours before, then 15 minutes before. And to set up the calendar option, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on calendars. From there, you're going to tap on calendar settings. After you have selected calendar settings, you're going to tap right where you see new calendar. And you'll be able to create a calendar as you can see right here. So for example, since we'll be offering services, we're going to tap on explore more types. And you're just going to select service booking. And I've done individual tutorials showing you how to set up a calendar. I'll be leaving that link right there. After you have set up your calendar, you're going to also connect it to an automation. So for example, if I were to select automation right here, so once I've selected automation, I'm just going to be showing you the appointment confirmation reminder. So you can see it right here. So let me refresh the page real quick, and I'm going to show you it so you can see how it looks. So once someone books the appointment, they're going to receive a confirmation email. Then 24 hours before the appointment, they're going to get a reminder email. Then an hour before the appointment, they're going to get another reminder email. And they're also going to get a reminder SMS. Then it will wait 5 minutes before, and you're going to send them a reminder email and a reminder SMS just like that. So here's the cool part. Patients can actually reply directly to these messages. So if someone needs to reschedule, your office handles it before it becomes no-show. If your dental office has fewer reviews than competitors nearby, you're losing patients before they can even call you. So here's how dentists automate reviews with GoHighLevel. After an appointment is marked complete, GoHighLevel automatically sends a text or email asking for a review. By going back to workflows right here, let me show you how I was able to set this up. You can see the option right here, post-appointment review requests. Let me show you how it will work. So you can see right here, once someone has completed their appointment, they're going to be sent an SMS. And from here, I'm just going to request a review. So SMS review, you can see it right there. This will be the SMS that they'll get. Hello, and it will fill in their name. Thank you for visiting us. We would appreciate it if you could take a moment to leave a review about your recent appointment. You can also send this in the version of an email, as you can see right there. So that's how you'll be able to collect reviews. And again, to create an automation like this, I recommend that you simply tap on Build using AI and just tell it that you want a post-appointment review request automation, and quickly it will create it. And just like that, you'll be able to collect reviews. And the reason this works so well is timing. If you ask immediately after a positive appointment, your review conversion rate goes way up. And honestly, this is why so many agencies charge dentists thousands of dollars per month for setting up things like this. But once you understand the workflows, it's actually pretty simple. So if you want a copy of everything I'm showing in this video, grab the free trial link below and follow along. The next thing we'll be looking at is patient reactivation workflow. So this next automation might be the most profitable one in the entire video. Most dental offices already have hundreds or thousands of whole patients sitting in their database. People who haven't booked in 6 months, 12 months, or even longer, a year or 2 years. With GoHighLevel, you can automatically send checkup reminders, cleaning reminders, whitening promos, or seasonal offers. So, for example, you could say, "Hey Sarah, it looks like it's been a while since your last cleaning. Want to schedule your next appointment?" This is one of the easiest ways to increase revenue without spending money on ads. Now, let me walk you through how to set it up. With GoHighLevel, you can see right here inactive customer outreach. Let me show you how this workflow looks. So once the customer hasn't been active for 6 months to a year, it is going to send an inactive SMS prompt right here. Then you can also set it up to send an inactive email. After you have done that, you can see right there the different options. You can see the last appointment, if it was 6 months, if it was less than that, you can see right there. And to set up something like this again, all I recommend you do is simply tap on Build using AI, and from there you can type in you want to create an inactive customer outreach. And if you would like me to create an individual tutorial showing you how to do that, I can set that up for you. Next thing we'll be looking at is dental pipelines and lead tracking. Now let's talk about pipelines. This is where GoHighLevel becomes really powerful for dental offices. With pipelines on GoHighLevel, you'll simply go over left-hand menu option and select opportunities. And if I were to change it to my dental CRM, you can see how it looks. So I have new lead, consultation schedule, appointment booked, treatment completed, and follow-up needed. Instead of sticky notes or spreadsheets, you can visually track every patient journey. And don't worry, if this looks advanced, once you build it one time, your staff mainly just clicks and drags patients through the stages. And to create your pipeline is quite straightforward. You'll simply tap on pipelines from the top. Then you're going to tap on create pipeline. After you have selected Create Pipeline, you could name it just like mine, Dental CRM. And from there, you can fill in the different stages just like what I showed you earlier. And to add more stages, you'll tap on the plus right here, Add Stage, and you could add your stage. Now, to add your clients, all you need to do is select Opportunities. Then you're going to tap where you see Add Opportunity. After you have done that, from here, you're just going to select the contact. After you have selected the contact right here, just like that, they'll be able to add the contact. Then you'll tap on Create. Now, after they have added the patients, and by the way, you can also use GoHighLevel to automate this entire process. Once you have done that, you can simply drag it along the line. So you have new lead, consultation scheduled, appointment booked, then treatment completed, and just like that, your employee will be able to drag it along the line. Now, here are some other high value features. So first, you have the two-way texting. Patients can text your office directly from the same dashboard. You also have the call recording feature, so you can review calls for training and missed opportunities. You can also send newsletters, promotions, and appointment reminders. By going over to the left-hand menu option, you can select marketing, and from here you can see those features, so you'll be able to send promotions, email marketing, and so on using this option. You also have the online forms, so patient can fill out forms before appointments. You also have website chat widget. You can add a chat widget to your dental website to capture leads automatically. So for example, here's a website that I have, and I created a chat widget using GoHighLevel. If I were to tap right here, as a customer, you can type in what are the services that you offer. Quickly, the chat widget will fill out the services you can see right there, tell the client. Then if the client wants to book a particular service, they can simply tell them the service they want to book, the date, the time, and it is going to be asking you, for example, your name, phone number, and so on, and it will automatically book the service. Once it has booked the service, you can go back into GoHighLevel, and from there, you're going to tap on Calendars from the left-hand menu option, and you're just going to tap on Appointment List View, and this is where you'll be able to see the different appointments that have been scheduled. So that's a quick and easy way to set it up. And when it comes on to creating your chat widget, it is also quite straightforward. You will tap on AI agents right here. Then you're just going to tap on Conversation AI. And after selecting Conversation AI, you'll select Manage Knowledge Base, and you're going to simply add your website, and you'll be able to train the AI agent on all of the information from your website. For example, the different services you offer, your booking time available, the slots, and also the prices. And again, I've done individual tutorials showing you how to do that, and I'll be leaving that link in the description. So hopefully now you can see why more dental practices are switching to GoHighLevel. It helps automate missed calls, reminders, reviews, follow-ups, and patient communication without needing a massive front desk team. If you want to start using GoHighLevel for your dental practice, I'll leave my free trial link below. And if enough people want it, I can also make a full dental workflow template, appointment reminder templates, review request templates, and even a complete done-for-you dental CRM tutorial. Thanks for watching.